I'm hard-boiled, they say. Toughest of the dozen. But am I really? I was a prodigy, a grade A egg in school. So they plucked me from my family before I could even meet them. They expected great things from me. They would always be so kind as to remind me how hard-boiled I was. I went to hell and back to prepare for this moment, but no amount of training could ever prepare me for this. Time to come out of my shell and face the world. Maybe hard-boiled, but did they ever realize I'm soft on the inside